Okay, today we're gonna sit down and have a good little talk, and we're gonna talk about our lady business. We're gonna talk about taking care of the skin down there, because you know what, it's just not talked about enough. And you know, hot girl summer, it is the 1st of June. We need to talk about this. So you guys are looking so fresh and so clean down there wearing your bikini, right? We just need to do it. All right, so let's get into it. I'm going to share with you guys my tips, my tricks, the trade secrets from a medical esthetician's point of view of the perfect products to use down there to take care of that skin. So if you have redness, scar tissue from ingrowns, we're going to talk about all of it, how to get rid of it. In this video, I'm going to be talking about a lot of products. This video isn't sponsored by anyone. These are just products that I love. And in full disclaimer motion, we are going to just put it out there right now. If you're trying a new product, I always expect you guys to do a patch test. All right, so these tips and tricks are meant for both if you are either doing a full Brazilian or if you are just, you know, shaving or waxing your bikini area. These will work wonders for you. Okay, first up, let's talk about exfoliation. So when you're exfoliating down there, it's always good to use something similar to this guy right here. So this is just a little exfoliator meant for down there, and you can pick this up basically anywhere. I actually got this at Winners, so if you guys have a Winners or TJ Maxx, like this is perfect. You can get this at your local drugstore, pharmacy. They're just around. You can pick them up, Amazon, Walmart, everywhere. This is just a exfoliator for your body, and it's kind of rough, but it's soft. When exfoliating with that tool, it's best to do little windshield wiper motions or little small circles to get the best results. And I would recommend doing it before your shower or after your shower, but pick one or the other, don't do both. Alright, so after we've exfoliated with the loofah, so that's one exfoliation for that day. Now I'm going to go into moisturizing. So there are a couple of different things that I use on myself, and you have to remember I have dry, sensitive skin, and these all work great even though I've got sensitive skin. Alright, so after I've moisturized my body, I will go in with an oil for the bikini line, and this is a body oil for after wax care, and this one I just picked up at Fuzz Wax Bar, which is where I go to get my waxes done. I love this product, it's amazing. Not sponsored, just sharing. So after I've gone in with the oil, I will go in and do a mask on the entire area, the full Brazilian. We're just going to do it. So I will go in and I will either take this one right here, which is also from Fuzz Wax Bar, and this is called a V mask. And if you don't have access to this, what I like to do is this one right here, and this is from The Ordinary, and this is the salicylic acid in 2%, and I will put this on for sometimes 20 minutes. If I'm doing this at night, I might go in with this mask as well and leave it on actually all night long. But before you use any of these products, I suggest doing a patch test anywhere on your body, like your inner thigh or something like that, just to make sure that you'll be fine with doing something like that. After I've applied this, I will leave this on, and this really helps to kind of bring everything to the top and dry it up. So you don't want any redness, you don't want any bumps, you don't want any irritation. This helps kind of reduce that and get rid of it. So this is a really great one for that. Let's move on to switching up your skincare routine throughout the week. So the next day, say you have ingrowns and they're kind of looking not so pretty, not so healthy, not so, you know, so great. So you want to get rid of that. What do? Because sometimes an ingrown could be more like a pustule, and you don't want that because that will cause extra redness, extra irritation. It's going to take longer to heal, but you know, you can't help it. These things happen. So in that case, you want to go in with something with an acid to help draw out the ingrown and also clear up the infection. So this is acid cream right here. This is 15% PHA. This is the body lotion right here, and this is called Restore from Neostrata. So I like to go in with this in the morning, and then I will go in with this one, which is called Resurface, also from Neostrata, and this one is 10% AHA in the evening. So this one actually has a glycolic acid in it. I believe they both do actually. They both have glycolic acid, just two different types. So one is PHA and the other one is AHA, and these are great to use. I use these on my legs, so if you guys have strawberry legs, definitely, if you want me to do a video like this but on strawberry legs, let me know. But these are great products, you know, put these on anywhere on your body, your face, your feet, everywhere that you want to like lightly exfoliate. These are great. And this is a product I've raved about. I've told you guys this tip and this like little secret beauty regime that I use, and everyone should because it's amazing. So if you guys haven't seen my latest skincare videos, definitely check them out. I'll link them up above for you guys. But this is a product that I rave about. And you know what? You're just not ever going to think about it, but I'm going to tell you what the secret is. Lanolin. The secret is lanolin. Yes. So these are actually found in the baby care aisle of your local drugstore, pharmacy, Walmart, Walgreens, like anywhere that, you know, you shop. Like, this is lanolin. These are actually in the baby aisle because people use these. This one's called Tender Care right here, and this is actually meant for putting on your nipples if you're breastfeeding and, you know, if you've got cracks and all that. This heals it. But we're definitely not talking about that right now. We're still talking about our lady business, that area down there where we're doing the full Brazilian. You put a little bit on this. It's very thick. It's like a greasy paste almost. I know what you're thinking, like, ew. I'm telling you guys, this works. This is a life-changing product. You guys can see, like, I use it all the time. This is a godsend. I will squeeze a little bit here on my hand for you. Honestly, I would do just a little bit more than that, and I would just rub it around. Like, it gets a little greasy, it's a little tacky, a little thick. So I usually do this at night or right when I get out of the shower. You put this on your hands, warm it up, and then just rub it into that area where you have the ingrowns, and it will heal overnight. Like, it is amazing. So if it doesn't heal quite overnight, do it again in the morning and at night, and do it again the following day, and it's so amazing. This will heal, and it gets rid of redness, gets rid of scar tissue. It heals. It's magic. It's magic in a tube. That is the secret right there. 100% lanolin. Now this product right here also has lanolin in it. This is meant for dry lips, dry hands, chafed skin. So if you have chafing in between your thighs, this is a great product for that as well. And dry, cracked heels and feet. So this one is also super great. If you have, you know, this is off topic, but if you have dry feet, I've mentioned it before, the lanolin is what's gonna fix those cracks on your feet. Put this on your feet, put some socks on, go to bed. It's like better in the morning, like just healed. You know, do this for a week and like the cracks, what did you have? You know, you didn't have any cracks. Your feet are perfect. So pedicure season, definitely. If you guys want a dedicated video to like my tips and tricks, let me know in the comments down below. And if you love this video, remember to hit that like button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a beat. And you know, I appreciate it when you guys subscribe. But talking about products, this is amazing. I love this one. As you can see, I use it quite a bit. So this one's also super good. So I will switch up, do this, and then I'll do this. And I rub this into my hands afterwards. Like, it's just so great. This on your legs, if you have dry patches on your legs, because we're coming out of winter and, you know, we're moving into spring, summer, and I feel like if you're shaving your legs, you kind of sometimes get those little dry patches, not quite like eczema patches, but they just appear. I don't know why, but this helps heal them. It just like takes it away. It's beautiful, it's perfect, it's amazing. Exfoliate, exfoliate, exfoliate that area, because if you don't do it, it really doesn't get exfoliated. So you need to kind of remove all those dead layers of skin to help lift the ingrowns so that you don't get them trapped under the skin, and it's just going to be better all the way around. Exfoliate, exfoliate, exfoliate. That is what I need you guys to take out of this video. It is so important, and no one talks about it. Why? I have no idea. Okay, so on the topic of exfoliating, we're going to move on to a different product that I use, and this one's also from The Ordinary. I use this on my face all the time. I've talked about it in so many videos. This is the glycolic acid toning solution from The Ordinary. So with this, you just kind of wet it on a cotton puff. So I'm just going to do that for you guys. A couple of drops. There you go. So I've got this on my cotton puff. I'm just going to dab that onto my Brazilian area. Okay, so moving on. So I love this one right here. So I will do the glycolic acid maybe once a week, and I will do this one once a week as well. This is also from The Ordinary. This I love on my face. It just makes that glow, right, that you guys love so much. So this is a really great product. This is the vitamin C suspension, 23%. And this one right here is super great. I will also put this on my bikini area right before going to bed, and you know what, just let that just marinate. I will just let that marinate overnight, and this heals, it works, it just makes it beautiful. You know, we want that beautiful looking skin, and this does it for me. Like, I love this. Alright, so this is also another product from The Ordinary where I will use maybe once to twice a month. Not often, but I find it really works great. So this one right here is The Ordinary AHA 30% BHA 2% peeling solution. This is a 10-minute exfoliating facial according to the bottle. Basically, you can use this product all over your body, and this is the lowest dose you can buy at retail level versus something where, like, say I can get wholesale where I would have in the medical, you know, spa environment. So this is a really great product to have on hand at home. Now, that being said, make sure that you actually get The Ordinary, you know, from that normal beauty company, from Sephora. There are so many knockoffs of this that I've seen on the market. Be careful about what you're buying, because we don't want anything bad to happen. But this is a really great product. I stress wear gloves when using this. It does sting if you have a paper cut. So when you're putting it on, if you do have ingrowns and it's on there and it stings, do not leave it on more than 10 minutes. It does say leave it on up to 10 minutes, but I would start with a lower dose. Like, say leave it on for 3 minutes to start off with. Work your way up to 10 minutes in that area. Again, patch test everything, use your inner thigh. Alright, so bringing us to the end of the video, I feel like I should just cover a couple more things with you guys because we are talking about the skin down there. So all of this is meant to go topical, so you don't actually go in. Like, do not go in. Full disclaimer, we don't want any of that. But if you do have dryness on the inside, because you know what, ladies have that sometimes, here's what you can do. This is a small medical tip that I'm going to share with you guys. So if you guys have dryness on the inside, definitely take a vitamin E capsule, just prick it, and you've got pure vitamin E. That can go on the inside, and that will also help moisturize down there, because you know what, it's not talked about, and you guys, you know, we're having this whole conversation right now, so I feel like I should just share that with you guys. Also, throughout the summer, this is a product that I really love, and this is the Summer's Eve. These are just little freshening up wipes, and you've got the little Summer's Eve spray right here. So these work great for the summer if you guys need it. These I would recommend, love it. Alright guys, sound off in the comments down below if you love this video, or if you have any tips that I haven't shared with you guys that you would like to share with me and with everyone else globally. I would love that, so I want to hear from you guys. Write to me. I always love writing back to you guys. Alright, if you love videos just like this one, remember, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, until next time, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye guys.